Hey, welcome back to my bar. Today we're going to make a keto, low-carb version of a very simple drink, the Tequila Slammer. So traditionally the Tequila Slammer would actually be a shot. So what you would do is you would get a shot glass similar to something like this, and you would fill it up about halfway, so about an ounce with tequila, and then you would top it off with something like Sprite. And then you would put your hand actually over the top of the shot glass, slam it down onto the counter surface, which would then start making it fizz up. So you actually have to shoot it before it fizzes up over the sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that concept and many of the ingredients and turn it into a cocktail. And here's the reason. When you're doing a program that's keto or low carb, typically you're going to want to limit your alcohol intake. So if we can make it into a cocktail where you can actually sit and enjoy and sip the drink rather than shoot it, you'll be much more likely to be able to have a drink and make it last longer and therefore drink less. Okay, so we're also going to make it with keto-friendly ingredients. Let's look at the ingredients. So the first thing that we're going to need, obviously, is a rocks glass, and we fill it to about 1 inch down from the top with ice. Next, we are going to use tequila, obviously, and we're using Cabo Wabo Tequila Blanco. And if you want to hear why I prefer clear liquors when doing a program that's low carb, you can go ahead and click up on this link right here and I'll explain it to you. We've already got measured out 1.5 ounces of the tequila, and then what we're going to use is ginger ale for the mixer. But we are using Zevia ginger ale. Ginger ale is typically very high in sugar. Zevia is an alternative that makes a ginger ale product, but it is actually flavored with stevia. So you can see here, 0 calories. The garnish is going to be a lime. All right, so here's how we make it. First we take our rocks glass and then in with the tequila. Now all we have to do from here is just top off the glass with the ginger ale, and then we're going to give it one quick stir. We're using a lime wedge this time because it's going to end up flavoring the drink. And there you have it, the Tequila Blanco keto-friendly slammer. Cheers.